Today I'm going to be reviewing the Spigen Tough Armor MagFit case for Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, compatible with Pixel Snap and MagSafe, and it's in the Abyss Green color. And the measurements for this is 7.6 by 1 by 15.2 centimeters. This is not water resistant, but it's heavy duty and it gives a really nice protection for your phone, and it's MagSafe compatible, so it has built-in magnet that perfectly aligns with your phone, enabling seamlessly attach it to anything that's magnetic. It also has a military grade drop protection, and the structure is kind of hybrid because it has a hard hard plastic, hard backing if you like, and it has a flexible frame, and it also has a built-in kickstand. It's very easy to pop the phone inside a case. Obviously you have to line everything up with the buttons and the camera, but it's good to know that the phone is secure and it gives a really nice protection, and it's quite stylish as well, so it's definitely a thumbs up from me.